Good morning, all of you beautiful people. We're back with an update. So the last time I spoke to you guys, remember, we had put in a new fuel filter and also put in an injector cleaner because every time I hit the throttle, it goes on limp mode. So certain things have happened since then. For some reason this car doesn't want to start. Tried to start it up. It was about a week, 2 weeks, week and a half after we actually changed like the fuel filter. The car was working fine, everything was good, but now we are here. For some reason 2 days ago I tried to start this car. On Sunday actually I tried to start this car. Didn't want to start. Why? I have no idea. Every time it starts up, it cuts off. So, just check. It just started off. Why? I have no idea. Because now, let me just try and get that focused. Yeah, you can see. So an ABS light came on when I started it. So when I try it again, just won't start. So yeah yeah, I'm in a bit of a situation, but my dad is on his way here. So I had an issue with the spark plugs because, like I said, this car has some issues that need resolving, of course, and I'm working through each and every issue step by step. When I got this car back from the mechanic, because I didn't tell you guys, so I have a new engine in the car, right? I bought a new engine because the old one, it was bad. I'll tell you more about that like on a later video, on another video actually. It was bad, so got a new engine. It was working fine. The only problem is when I put in like the new spark plugs, not all plugs were working correctly. So I had 2 new ones and 2 old ones. The car was working fine, but over time it started misfiring. It's been misfiring, but over the past month it's been misfiring quite often. It's been bad. So now I'm on a mission to actually switch out these spark plugs. So guys, this is my dad, the hero of the day. We're here to sort this out. So as you heard on the like a few moments ago, that every time I try to start it up, right, it just cranks. Well, it doesn't crank, but yeah, cranks. Let me just try and remove this. Okay. So we'll try and remove these. Because all the spark plugs are in between, like these two are here actually, because like on the sides we have like the new one. So let me try and remove these. I'll take out the tools, and then I'll also have to just get this out just to get to this one. So I'll have to take this entire thing out, including this, just to get to this one. Even though I don't need to remove this one, but we need to remove everything just to find the source of the problem. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using this tool, this right here, to get to these. So I need to remove like these bolts and then pull this out. Let me just pull this out. Doing this in reverse because I was actually like just supposed to start with this and pull it out. So guys, the first plug is out. Look at this monstrosity. Bad. It looks real bad. So clearly like this was not sparking at all, and it belongs in the trash. So we have like 2 of these new ones like I said, they were in before and then they were taken out, so it's time they went back in. So yeah, let's take out the other one and perhaps maybe the other two just to check if like they spark. Okay, so guys, just so you know, really struggled getting this other second one out. Spark plugs, imagine, still on the second one. So this is the tool that I used to remove it, and it's out. Boom. As you can see, this is out. As you can see, this one is it's also bad. So let's see, let's put the new ones in, but first I think I need to just clean them and then we'll fit them in and then see if like the car starts. So guys, bad news, we couldn't get it started. It's still cranking. And then another issue is like we did actually switch all these spark plugs, we cleaned them, put them back in again, still cranking. So it's probably like something electrical, I think, at this point, another electrical issue. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing stuff right now, but I'll just get someone next week because I'll be busy for the next couple of days. Next week I'll get someone to come and diagnose this car and just try and find out what the issue is and hopefully just try and sort it out. But I'm pretty sure it's nothing serious, something minor. But that DSTC service light that shows up, I should look that up, to be honest. I should look that up because before it said the service, the DSTV service whatever, the DSTV service whatever,
the DSTV service whatever.
Before that it said DSTC temporary off. I'm not sure if it's a common Volvo issue or it's just this one, but we'll end the video for now and then I'll update you on how this goes. Thumbs up.